Are you a mental health professional or educator working with neurodiverse kids, teens, or adults? I'm Dr. Sharon Saline, and I'd love to present at your next professional training. For the past 30 years, I've been working with children, teens, young adults, and families living with ADHD, learning disabilities, high-functioning autism, anxiety, depression, and more. I've helped countless professionals use my 5Cs approach so their students or their clients can live more productive, satisfying lives. I'd love to share my expertise with you.
We want to, what I call, step up to the platform. You want to stand at the platform, look out at the valley, and see where you want to go, and make a plan for how you're going to traverse.
The frontal lobes are the directive capacities of the brain. They're like the film director. They tell different parts of the brain when to cue in and do their part.
I've seen firsthand how easily students and teachers miss each other's signals and can wind up frustrated and disconnected.
Now, the statistics are that it's 34% of kids who have a diagnosis of ADHD have a coexisting diagnosis of anxiety. So to me, the reason that there's a lot of anxiety is because there's this persistent vigilance about when is the shoe going to drop next.
I've noticed how much therapists and counselors benefit from having useful tools and interventions about neurodiverse learners as resources for their work with them.
Listen to what their bodies are telling you, not so much their words. You can control and lower the volume on your anxiety by shifting consciously to curiosity. I wonder what's going to happen instead of I'm afraid of what's going to happen.
Join me, and I'll show you how to work better with alternative learners and build effective collaborative relationships that solve the myriad of challenges facing these young people.